Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a gay in Infinite Craft. Let's start it. First of all, take water and put it into field. After this, take earth and put in the water. You get plant. Then take fire and put into plant. Now you get smoke. Then take plant and put into smoke. Now you get incense. Then take smoke and put in incense. Now you get prayer. Then take incense and put into prayer. Now you get angle. Now take smoke and put into angle. Now you get devil. Then take angle and put into devil. Now you get human. Then take human from list and put into human. Now you get family. Then take human and put into family. Now you get baby. Then take baby from list and put into baby. Now you get child. Now again take baby and put into child. Now you get teenager. Then take child and put into teenager. Now you get adult. Then go to other side. Take fire and put into field. Again take fire and put into fire. Now you get volcano. Then again take fire and put into volcano. Now you get lava. Then take water and put into lava. Now you get stone. Then take lava and put into stone. Now you get obsidian. Then take stone and put into obsidian. Now you get blade. Then take human and put into blade. Now you get warrior. Now take obsidian and put into warrior. Now you get Aztec. Again take obsidian and put into Aztec. Now you get sacrifice. Then take family and put into sacrifice. Now you get love. Now combine these two elements. Now you get marriage. Now go to other side, take water from the list and put it on the field. Then again take water and put into the water. Now you get lake. Then take wind and put into lake. Now you get storm. Then again take water and put into storm. Now you get rain. Then take rain from list and put into rain. Now you get rainbow. Now combine these two elements. And guess what? You get gay. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.